So what do we need in an emergency situation? Say the power's out, to be able to cook a good source of protein. Well, first off, you need a fire. Now we have our fire started outside. We need to get our ingredients, if you want to call it that, together for this delicious sandwich that we're going to have in an emergency case, right? Or if you just wanted to cook something on the campfire. Either way, it works great. Cast iron skillet. Need some bacon grease, of course. Got to lube the bottom of the skillet. And some sort of Spam, luncheon meat. Any of that works. And a knife. Got to be able to slice it up and lay it in your skillet. All right. So let's get all of that stuff together. Let's go back out there. Okay, guys, we got our skillet on the fire. Already put bacon grease in the skillet. Getting it hot. And now, what we got to do is take our Spam. We're going to open it up. Just like so, and you see how it's in the pack. Set that to the side for now. Time to get it to where you can work with it. It's in there pretty good. Sometimes you have to take the knife and run around inside the can, like so, to loosen it up. But this is a great survival food, or if you're out camping. And this does not want to just come out there at all, now does it? Of course not. It wants to be stubborn. Well, I didn't want the whole thing out of there, but whatever. Okay, so we're going to cut us up a few slices of this, just like so. Right? Cut it up. It'd be easier if we had a table, which we don't have. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and get that whole Spam frying. Now, I may have just a little too much oil in here, but that's okay. A lot of people, they don't even put oil in their skillet. They just drop the Spam or lunch meat, what they prefer, that on in the skillet. I like to have a little oil because it makes it crisp. All right, so set this to the side. For now, grab our spoon. I don't want to eat down in the fire. Set it over here. Ooh. We basically let it cook. Had a viewer wanted me to cook something on a cast iron skillet. And I said, what's the best thing in the world to cook on a cast iron skillet? Spam. Oh, Spam. Good survival food. Good campfire food. You know, heck, just delicious to eat anytime, really. I'll tell you what. I mean, if you like bacon, you'll love Spam. You will love Spam. Yeah. Then you just let her continue cooking like that until it gets brown, till it crisps up. And then throw it on some bread. Ooh, we listen to that stuff fry, boy. Yes. Hopping, and it goes. It's hard to cook out here when the wind's blowing, you know. Guys, this is awesome. Look at that, golden brown. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see that. Man, I'm gonna lay some bread right here next to the fire. And you know why? Because it's gonna toast it up a little bit. Yes, sir. Yeah. This is a country boy can survive kind of meal right here, people. Or anyone else. Simple to do. All you gotta do is get your skillet, get you a fire. Yeah. Some Spam or luncheon meat. Whatever you have there. Fry it up. Look here. Look how golden brown that is. Let's see here. Yeah, that's almost ready. Almost. Almost. Yeah. The rain is going to be moving in here in a little bit. Wind's going to pick up. It's going to be gusty here. It's going to be cold. It's really cold. And I know a lot of the nation is already under blizzard warnings, snow warnings, wind chill warnings, you name it. It's going on north of us. If you lose power, remember this. You got no cast iron skillet or any skillet to work. If you lose power, you got one of these, build a fire in it, sit outside around it all the time, build a fire in it, put you some kind of oil in your skillet, lunch of meat, hot dogs, bacon, Spam, any of that will fry in here. Yes, you can fry hot dogs in this. Bologna will fry in here. Get you some bread, slap it on it. Look at this. Oh, we're gonna make us a sandwich. Man, we're gonna make us a sandwich. Got a couple pieces left in the skillet, that's okay. Look at that, even, see that crust on that bread? Yeah. My friends, get out here and try this. Even if you're just playing around. Practice makes perfect. Get out and just practice building the fire and cooking outside. I enjoy it. Growing up, this is how we did it. Keep the heat out of the house because we didn't have air conditioning. Poor mama, she cooked outside like this all the time, even in the wintertime. And to this day, I love it. There it is. It's gorgeous. Try the Spam sandwich. Woo. Man. Good for ya. That's great. Lord mercy. Guys, I had to walk away from that thing for a minute. That sandwich will make you smack your grandma 3 different ways with your tongue. Lord, that's good. Hey, if you liked this video, did you get anything out of this video? Was it worth stopping for? If so, do me a favor. Click that like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know if you'd like to see some more videos like this. Sure enough, I just enjoy making these things. I enjoy making these videos, people. Again, Spam sandwich. God, it's delicious. Hey, y'all be safe out there. Seriously. Watch the weather. If it's bad where you are, stay home. Hey, cook outside, right? Do something like that. Stay off the streets. Average Joe 76. Of course, you can see him. Woohoo! Psychic Simba. I'll talk to y'all later.